Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful cool welding project or cool welding project for beginners. My dear guys, starting with the cool welding project, great way for beginners to gain confidence and develop their skills. So some simple welding project ideas that are perfect for beginners. First of all, welded picture frame. It is also simple and small welding project and metal rod or flat bars welding machine, clamps and sandpapers, paint which is used for welded picture frame. So my dear guys, cut metal rods or flat bars. So, my dear guys, weld the corner together to create the frame and sand the weld for a smooth finish and paint the frame, leave it with a natural metal finish. My dear guys, some metal coat hook, metal hook, it is used for metal coat hook for making, and metal plate are also used for metal coat hook making, and the welding machine are also used for metal coat hook making, and some screws are used for metal coat hook making, and drill also, and some different paint are also used for metal coat hook making. My dear guys, cut a metal plate to the desired length for your coat hook and weld the metal hooks onto the plate at regular intervals and drill holes in the plate for mounting it to the wall, and paint or finish the metal as desired. Mount the coat hook on the wall using screws. It can be used. My dear guys, simple metal candle holder are also the material which is used metal rods, small metal plates, welding machine, clamps, and also sandpaper, which is used for a simple metal candle holder. My dear guys, some instruction: cut metal rods for the base and the vertical stand of the candle holder. It is used in a simple metal candle holder for making for first point, and secondly, weld the rod together to create a stable base, and weld a small metal plate at the top for holding the candle, and sand the welds and finish the metal with paint or protective coating. It is used for a simple metal candle holder. My dear guys, welded key holder, the material which is you welded key holder, metal rods or flat bars, and metal hooks are also used. Welding machine are also used. Some different clamps are used, and sandpaper are also welded key holder used. Some different paint like as white paint, red paint, brown paint, and different location, different painted color are also used. My dear guys, when we talk about its instructivity, then cut metal rods or flat bars to create the base for the key holder, and weld small metal hooks onto the base to hold keys, and sand the welds for a smooth finish. Paint or finish the key holder as desired, and mount it on the wall using screws. So some metal garden trellis, material metal rods, a rebar, welding machine, clamps, sandpapers, and paint are also used for metal garden trellis. And it when we talk about its instructivity, then cut metal rods are rebar to create a simple trellis design, arrange the piece into a grid lattice patterns and weld them together in metal garden trellis. It can be used. So sand the welds to smooth out any rough spot which is used for making a metal garden trellis, and paint the trellis to prevent rust and enhance its appearance, and place the trellis in your garden for climbing plant. It is used for metal garden trellis. My dear guys, some simple welded shelf brackets are also made. Metal flat bars, welding machine, clamps, sandpaper, paint are also so many material. These materials are used same. So instruction, my dear guys, when we talk about a simple welded shelf bracket, cut metal flat bars to create two L-shaped brackets and weld the pieces together to form right angles. Sand the welds to ensure a smooth finish. Paint the brackets or leaves them with a natural metal finish. And mount the brackets to the wall and add a wooden or metal shelf on top. It can be basically uh, for becoming or for becoming a well prepared metal art or metal project or metal sculpture. So metal book and material metal plates or flat bars, welding machine, clamps, sandpapers, paint, and cut metal plates or flat bars into L shape for the bookend and weld any additional decorative element onto the L shape if desired. Sand the weld for a smooth finish on different joints and in different for making different designing. Paint the bookend or leaves them with a natural metal finish and use them to keep your books organized on the shelf. And welded plant stand, a metal rod, a small metal plate, welding machine, clamps, sandpaper, paint, it can be used. So instructivity when we talk about cut metal rods for the legs and base of the plant stand, it is a welded plant stand are also make. So weld the rods together to form a sturdy stand. So weld a small metal plate on top to hold a potted plant. So sand the weld to smooth them out and paint or finish the plant stand as desired. So simple metal tray, a metal sheet, metal rods, welding machine, clamps, and sandpaper paint. It can be used. So some instructivity: cut a metal sheet to the desired size for the tray base. It is a simple metal tray. And some weld metal rods around the edges to create a border and sand the welds for a smooth finish. Paint the tray or leaves it with a natural metal finish and use the tray for serving or as a decorative piece. It can be used. So some welded garden art material, metal rod, scrap metal piece, welding machine, clamp, sandpaper, different paint. Gather scrap metal piece and metal rod to create a simple garden sculpture. And after that, weld the piece together to form an abstract design or a simple figure. And sand the welds to smooth them out so as a paint or finish the sculpture to protect it from the different element. So place the sculpture in your garden as unique art pieces. My dear guys, these small welding projects are a great way to practice your welding skill while creating useful and decorative items for your home or garden. As you gain a confidence, you can try more complex project and experiment with different design and materials. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much for affectionate love with me.